Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna ride go a Rebel and Badgie bike show in a St. Elizabeth, New Forest. You know, say me I go down Spirit Tree and I go through Prospect, the sun. So I want you guys to stay tuned, leave a like and a comment on this video, and remember to subscribe.
Check three.
So sweet, you know, remember like that. Oh, you mean Billion Chopper, Billion Chopper, Billion Chopper, Billion Chopper. Roll it, watch it, watch it, circle, go fast on that, go fast on that, go fast on that, fast on that. Aye, hold it, aye, hold it right next up. Aye. Go on, no. move. Watch them. Any penny on top off, I get 10 grand. Any penny on top off of the bike, I get 10 grand. But 10 grand alone, we don't talk about 15 grand. 10 grand alone. You watch the move, make it get you them there, you believe in a youth them in a man dog. And you time and young generation, what has done them? Sit down back on the bike now. Sit down back on the bike. They are taking no say no tough. Sit down back. You know, you have to test them, you know. You have to test them. You don't want to hold it a bike for the chat. One at a time. Please tap. Yellow shirt. Touch the ground. Yeah, touch the ground. Can't hold a bike, man. Remember good no man. I hear a bike. See them. Give me the circle. Touch the ground now. Yeah, touch the ground now. Watch the circle. Touch the ground. Remember, I hear a bike. All right. Touch the ground. All right. See them now. Remember you don't do no much. You don't see alright, see down on people. Watch the youth here. Play music and play low. More you wave things for. Not yet. See there? Watch the foot play. Watch the move. Alright. Let's do the vehicle. He's my brother, we can't back up the bike front foot in the ear. People wanna watch the youth here. So easy. Give me the foot play first. Yeah, give me the foot play first. Then you have to put one of your foot on the front line. Alright, take it down back now. Take it down sideways now. Boy, you go sideways. Alright. Sideways for the bike now. Alright, people, look at that. You never see that yet. Watch that. Alright. Remember, me never tell you to put on the bike. Alright, that's a 360. Me never say put it on yet, you know. Alright, watch it move now. Alright, I'm up back now. Give me a captain move. One hand on the bike. Captain move. One hand. Alright, that is it. Watch that you here. Them call him cigarette man for when you can go and tell the TV about one pack of cigarette, 1 minute. Watch CD, watch the circle. Watch the circle. CD, you can't wave the crowd. Eh? Why you can wave the crowd, CD? Alright, put the cigarette out light and take you out of your mouth. Take the cigarette out of your mouth, CD. Man, CD said too early. Watch the move, watch it. Get it compatible. Remember, you're bike, you know, CD. Remember, you're bike, you know. Me can't play, going on the road. Alright, calm me. That's time I don't know what to call it, but it's not good, he likes the last one with you. And I billion. Remember, you know, billion. Listen, anybody can go off my bike get 10 grand. 10 grand. Look at this. This is a one-hand move. Watch this people. Look at this. We'll never see this yet. I don't care. When you see it now, let's stop. Let's do that. We'll never see this yet. Let me see if he can do it. Look at this. TV. You see this one right here. Watch out, make a call, billion, make a call. Me tell you to jump off, you get 10 grand. No, CD, the billions are going to. Let's do the bench. Create the girl. Tell us your team bike. Normally when you buy one bike, you know, one so. Look on this people, one man, watch ya. He can take off his shoes and play with you know, while riding the bike. But no, not now. Script the girl. hearing. Just believe say I get the 10,000 tonight. Look on this. Want to sit now. Me want to sit. Me want to sit now. Me want to sit now. See this. Watch this. Watch this. My God, look on this. Let the bike contract. Watch the billion. Why? See that no see me. Why that no see me? Watch the move. 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 Roll on. Yeah, roll on. Daddy, I want to come and teach you to ride bike, you know. I want to teach the younger generation them how to get the car. You see? My love. Get it comfortable. Yeah, get it comfortable. Remember, bike show them. One rebel, big up yourself. Yeah, get it comfortable. Watch you move now. Watch you move. Select and look here. Watch you move. Yeah, roll your hand now. Roll your hand. Yeah, roll your hand now. Roll your hand now, man. Roll your hand now, man. How you mean? And that me and talk about the engagement. Alright, lick off my feet. That is it. How you mean? Then I roll the bike. Now take a roll. Roll the bike. Roll the bike. I'm going to do that. Roll the bike. That's what. That's what they attack. Watch the crew. I said, what the billion jump off the thing? Come here, give me $10,000 billion to jump off in the selector. You know the rules after that. You see? My love. See them? Give the bike now. Let me ride the bike. You make the billion ride the bike now. And you take away. You take away now. My love. What's the move? What's the move? Hey? Trouble. Let's repeat it. Me I tell you, you think money comes so easy. Man, eh? Let me tell you. Mothers, someone goes up. Now remember, it's not everybody who have a bike can skate a bike. It's just a rider. So watch this skate now. Mothers, take up and put it in your pocket. We believe in a star, you know. Watch this now. Watch this. 3 times that. Madam, take care of what I get it. 3 times that. No man, that's somebody else, but twice time. We don't know money, nobody has said nothing. You see, that just know, we don't know money. You don't do it now. Yeah. You ready again, madam? Madam, wait now. You see, at twice time, let's say you have a circle. Twice time, yeah. You see, if you don't take you up this time and they have sent the baby man to go take you up. Sure you. You ready now, my brother? See them now. Okay, you might not like people. Ready now. Twice time and take up. Twice time and take up. Twice time and take up. Mother, your time. Mother, your time. See that? 1, 2. Good try, boy. Good try. Ready, say, boy. Hey, you see the other yesterday? Good science, man, you know. And if you tell you, boy, let's do the vehicle. Let's do the vehicle. Let's do the vehicle. Now, what? That's why everybody got it out there, boy. This guy is the answer, boy. You can't take the money. They call them me pushing in here. Who wants the money? Come in here. Come in here. I'm not pushing money in here and nobody can't take your money. Never this time now. Never this time now, selector. everybody jump up. The two drunkest man in our party. Brown man and black suit. Watch the move. Watch the move. This name's Stand the Ground. If I sit up, guess what I want. Remember, you them a young stunter, you know. Be a young stunter there and them bad. Yeah. Trouble. Watch the move. Watch the people. Look on this. Watch the circle now. Let go one hand now. Catch your foot and let go one hand. We don't never see this yet. Watch this. See that? See that? Look at this man. The tell us say you're the champion. Jesus, yeah. I want to be a man and look at the camera and say, life, man. Don't be like that. You see? Oh, this. Let me a good spit. I'm going to smoke one day. The kid can't tell me we get.
All nastiness, all junk, all promises.
March 16, right now, so when I got this bike show, I go keep. Big up yourself, my sister. Everything good. But people remember me, I said, Picky Cartel show. Yeah?